So hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel guys. So this is the day 3 here at Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So you can check out, the time is approximately 10 and it's 7:30 there at India. So you can check out the beautiful view from my balcony. So आज मैं दिखाऊंगा मैं कहाँ कहाँ जाने वाला हूँ, क्या क्या है. So we have got a little bit of plans here at Kuala Lumpur and tomorrow we'll be going to Penang. So मैं आपको पीछे से दिखाता हूँ lovely view from here. So guys, I'll be getting first up and we'll catch you later. Till then. So guys, we are here waiting at the lobby for our taxi to arrive, and you can check out, that's the main reception here. So guys, अभी हम जाएंगे बाटू केव जो कि बहुत ही फेमस टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन है. So let's go and explore that. Day 3 Kuala Lumpur. So guys, now we are heading towards BATU cave.
Okay, hi.
Hello guys. Like and subscribe.
So guys, check out, that's BATU cave, Gombak. Thank you. So guys, we are here at the BATU cave. फिर चलते हैं, उतरते भी हैं, चलते भी हैं. And to my back side you can check out, that's the awesome lovely gate. So as you can see, we are here inside the BATU cave, and to my back side you can check out, that's the Lord. I exactly don't know the name. So as I've heard, we have to climb a lot to get the beauty of the cave, and the back side you can check out, that's the entry gate. And all the architecture over here looks like from the south region of India. So guys, you can see that's the BATU cave and we need to climb all the way up. So guys, since I haven't had my breakfast here at the hotel, I'm planning to eat something here. Let's check out. So this is a South Indian hotel, I guess, but yeah, this is awesome. So guys, I have decided to sit here, and they have said we have to sit here and they'll be coming to take the orders. So let's check out what we can get here. So there, this is the juice menu, and that's the food menu.
Yes, juice.
Yeah. I'll have one dragon fruit juice.
Okay.
Less sugar.
Okay.
And I have told him that I want ghee masala dosa.
Oh yeah.
I have ordered this. Thank you guys. In the meantime, I'll wait. So मैं देखता हूँ कि अभी ऑर्डर में क्या क्या आने वाला है. So मैं आपको बता दूँगा. I have ordered घी मसाला डोसा and one dragon fruit juice. जो कि मैंने कहा है कि put less sugar in it because yesterday I purchased the juice and it was very sugary. and I would say आज तो मौसम काफ़ी तेज धूप निकला हुआ है, so it's very warm here, warm and humid. So after the breakfast we'll be climbing the cave, but I'm feeling very lazy to climb due to this hot sun and all. So okay, let the breakfast come and दिखाता हूँ फिर मैं आपको आगे. So guys, just now I have got my dragon fruit juice, so let me just taste it. Okay, this is really refreshing. I told him not to put too much sugar here. In this warm sunny day, this is really refreshing. And one second, and there comes my ghee masala dosa. Can I get one spoon? Yes. So guys, here comes my ghee masala dosa. Thank you. Thank you. So guys, that's a dragon fruit juice and this is the dosa. Okay, the dosa is very authentic. Yummy. And the sambar tastes really awesome. The chutney is very awesome, not that too much hot, and sambar is not that too much sour. So guys, after the very awesome and authentic dosa, which I like the most, actually in India itself I don't get this kind of dosa. Itna badhiya dosa tha yaar. So now I am heading towards the BATU cave, which is at my back side there. You can check out. So let's try to climb. Dekhte hain how much I can climb. So guys, there are lots of pigeons in here, and you can check out the beautiful architecture, which is like the architecture from the South India. So guys, finally I'm here, and that's the statue. So this statue is really huge. So that's the main entrance for the cave. So guys, there is no any ticketing system, so let's start climbing. Oh wow. Ooh, this looks really amazing. So guys, right now I'm climbing, and if you would like to check out, you can check out. Ooh, it's up there too far. So guys, I have climbed just 1/3 and I'm tired and scared. Just check out downstairs there, and once you fell down, you're gone, man. Guys, I'm literally tired, and these monkeys over here are so annoying. They are so disturbing. You might fall down if they harass. Shoo. So guys, you can check out that mother monkey just stole my drink. I was so scared. उसके बाद आप देख सकते हैं काफ़ी सारा monkeys आ चुके हैं यहाँ पे, and they are just galloping all the drinks. So let them enjoy, and हम लोग फिर ऊपर की चढ़ाई की ओर चलते हैं. So stay tuned guys. So guys, some more step to climb, and I have been looted by those monkeys. I gave my juice to them. Now I am a bit comfortable. Oh my god, still more to climb there. This is how the cave looks like. So guys, few more steps to climb and we are almost at the entrance. Whew. It's really tiring. Few more steps remaining and we have started climbing from there. It's so far, even I cannot focus. So finally we are here at the main entry point. So it almost took 10 minutes to climb. Wow, but this is really worthy climbing. Check out, it's really beautiful and amazing. Oh, there's so peace in here. So guys, you can check out, those are the Hindu god and goddess. So guys, I thought यहीं पे आके ख़त्म हो जाएगा, but no, it has got more secrets lying. So I will just show you the glimpse. It is way far again from here. Yeah, you can check out guys. So we have to go there and I don't have remaining energy to go. So we'll be taking pictures from here, but up you can see, wow. So guys, check out, that is Luthar temple. So guys, finally I managed to climb here at the BATU cave, and this is the second main entry. After that again we have to climb around 50 more stairs, but I don't have that energy to climb. So you can check out to my background. The view is really amazing, and this place, it has a really natural vibe, very holistic, holy I would say. And what more I can say, it is really holy, it is way beyond explanation, you know. So stay tuned guys, and since we have explored this place, so I would like to go back, and we have to again down climb the stairs, which is approximately, I don't know, maybe 200-300 steps. So till then, stay tuned guys. So guys, after the beautiful exploration, now we are heading back, and then we'll be going to the main Kuala Lumpur town. So that's the exit, you can check out there. So let's quickly go. So guys, now we are starting to go downstairs. So I would rather say it a journey, chaliye, and this would be really very risky, because once you skid, you won't be able to stop yourself, no brake. Check out, we have to climb that downstairs. Guys, now we are climbing down, and this my friend, my sir, he is counting the stairs. So at the end we'll let you know how much total number of stairs are there. So counting on process. So let's quickly go. It's really warm and very sweaty, man. So still counting. How much till now? 86 till now, okay. So guys, finally, after all this sweating, we are about to reach the down entrance. Guys, finally we are here. So let's ask, sir. 217. So guys, the total number of stairs, to be precise, is 273. Okay, 273 guys. So now we'll be taking a taxi and let's see kahan chalta hai. So till then, catch you guys. So guys, we are here to buy some water and it's tiresome. So we'll buy some water and then we'll continue our journey to the town. So guys, finally we are here at the exit of the BATU cave entrance. So waiting for the taxi to arrive. Guys, here comes our taxi. So it's too hot to wait out here, so we'll be sitting in the taxi only. Oh my goodness. Ta-da. Hello. Just hold on. Some of our friends are coming in. Okay. It's too hot out. So now we are heading towards the Kuala Lumpur town.